We are done with decorating our 8 inches vintage heart themed cake. Hello, today I'm going to be decorating a lovely 8-inch heart cake, and the theme for this cake is going to be retro or vintage theme. The base color is going to be white, and I'm going to have blue pipings around the cake. Here I have 2 cake layers, vanilla and red velvet. I have both recipes on my channel. You can either look for them or check the description for links to both the red velvet and vanilla. You can hit me in the comments if you have any questions, and I will definitely respond to you. Enjoy. I will be securing the cake layers to the cake board, using buttercream, and I always wrap my cakes right out of the oven when they're still hot so I can retain the heat, therefore making the cakes really moist. So I'll just be piping a dam around the cake border and then filling up the cake itself with buttercream. I'm gonna go around again just to make sure the dam or the border is really high and our filling doesn't leak out. Using my angled spatula, I'll gently spread the buttercream inside so it's level and add the second layer on the top. I almost forgot. I'm going to be adding caramel in here. That's the filling. Now you need to look at it to make sure that it's centered and not leaning. And then using my cake scraper, I will just gently run this around so it seals the filling in. This goes into the fridge for about 10 minutes so the buttercream in between the cake layers would set and I don't have the top cake layer sliding when crumb coating. So putting this in the fridge for 10 minutes. So the next step is to crumb coat the cake, and that's just applying a thin layer of buttercream to the cake to hold in any loose crumbs. This step is just to lock in those loose crumbs so they do not affect the overall cake, the final coating, right? This looks good. Goes into the fridge for another 10 minutes. And then we'll have the final buttercream coating on it. The crumb coating is set and it's time to apply the final buttercream. Put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes again so the buttercream can set before adding the piping. So next I'm going to be applying the border, and I'm using a Wilton 4B tip. This is a Wilton 4B tip, and I'll just be applying shells. Next, using a Wilton 67 tip. This is a Wilton 67. Just going to be piping some border shells. wilting 32. This is wilting 32. And it's a wrap. We are done with decorating our 8 inches vintage heart themed cake. I love everything about this cake. It's so beautiful, from the edible pearls to the intricate pipings and the ribbons. It's really classy, it's chic. Thank you for staying this long. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please ask me questions in the comments section and I'll be sure to reply. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again.